So in this game time tutorial video, I'll be showing you guys how to buy NFL tickets here on Game Time. So once Game Time is opened up, I want you to go ahead at the top and press on the sports icon. Now if you want to change your location, just go to the top here and press on your location so you can use your current location, or you can scroll down and view a bunch of different locations. So we'll just keep it at Minneapolis for this example. The Vikings are right here, so we'll just go ahead and press on them. Now it'll show you a bunch of different Vikings home games that you can buy that are upcoming. So if you wanted to go to the Vikings-Eagles game, we'll go ahead and press on this. Now once you're here, it'll then bring you to a map of the stadium where you can sort of see different price points for different tickets. So if you wanted to proceed this way, you can scroll the map right here. You can also scroll down, view a bunch of different deals. And if you want to go ahead and press on this one right here, it'll show you sort of a view from your seat. It'll also show you the price, the dates, the seats, etc. If all looks good, you want to proceed, press on continue. Now, once you guys are here, you can see the price breakdown by showing details right here. You can change the payment, the payment method if you want to go Apple Pay, PayPal, Affirm, or add a new card. If all looks good, you want to proceed, go to the bottom, press on buy, and then proceed with the transaction that way. So very simple, very straightforward. That's how you guys can buy NFL tickets here on Game Time. Thanks again for watching, and I hope this video helps.